Hi, this is Abhay Gosain. I work as a mixologist at Auro Kitchen and Bar. I've been working here for past 3 years, and today I'm going to teach you 2 amazing cocktails recipes using Commander-in-Chief Jamaican Gold Triple X Rum, which is absolutely great for making some easy cocktails. The first cocktail that I will be making today is Little Red Rooster, which is refreshing and delicious summer cocktail and usually served in a tall glass. For this, we will need 2 ounces of Commander-in-Chief Jamaican Gold Triple X Rum, 1 ounces of grapefruit juice, 1 ounces of pineapple juice, dashes of grenadine, and half ounces of triple sec and half ounces of lime juice. Garnished with cocktail cherry and orange slice. So let's get started. And add Commander-in-Chief Jamaican Gold Triple X Rum. The Commander-in-Chief Jamaican Gold Triple X Rum is definitely one of the best rums I have tasted. Now it's time for the second cocktail, Wake Up Jamaica. This is like a vacation in a glass. For this, we will need Commander-in-Chief Jamaican Gold Triple X Rum, espresso shot, coffee liqueur, garnished with grated coconut, cocoa powder, and heavy cream. The blend of the Commander-in-Chief Jamaican Gold Triple X Rum is perfect for making this unique cocktail, and it's ready. Time for a party.